Okay, let's go from G add 5 to C add 9. We're going to keep the third and fourth fingers of the fretting hand stationary. All right? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Start with G add 5, go. Good. Now make your way to the C add 9. Good. Now make your way back to the G add 5. 2. Good. Up to C add 9. Get those fingers back down to G. Good. Now up to C. Strumming from the 5th string. Now strumming all strings. 1. Now get ready with that pick at the A string or the 5th string. Now back down to G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. Get ready for it. G. Get ready for that C. Here it comes. Get back to that G and there it is. All right. Switch them over now. Okay. Switch them back. And good. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. G. Up to C. Get it up there. All right. There it is. Good. Get them back down to G. I'm ready to strum. Are you all right? Good. 3. Up to C now. It sounds beautiful. 2, 3, 4. It's nice. We want to hear all these strings ring out. Good. Yeah. Now those 5 ring out. Sounds great. All right. Nice. Well done.